Hi, today in front of me VIVO Y16 and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first let's launch the settings application and then tap to the network in internet. Here we can see Wi-Fi switcher. Just to activate the Wi-Fi we should click once on the switcher, and now we'll see here all the available networks. For example, let's use the first one. We should enter the password. If you want to see the password, we should click on this checkbox here. I'll enter it out of screen. We should now click to connect, wait a couple of seconds. And now we can see that we're not connecting here. I don't know what's going on, why it's not working. Maybe something with the internet connection. So okay, let's just try it once again. Click to the settings, tap to forget, and let's once again try to connect to this network. For example, so one more time, click to connect. And now we can see that our device successfully connected to this network. So if you want to forget the network or just disconnect the network, you should click to the settings icon, tap here to forget, to disconnect, or to share with the QR code, with the Wi-Fi pin. Just so you can select more networks here, connect to them, and after that you can find the 8 networks here in this list. To switch between them, to turn on the Wi-Fi, we should click here on the Wi-Fi switcher once again, and that's it. So also we have one more way how we can turn on the Wi-Fi, how we can activate it. First we should open the notification panel shortcuts, then click here to this Wi-Fi switcher to turn it on or to turn it off. Just to launch the Wi-Fi settings, we should hold for a while this icon, and now by the same way just select the network, enter the password, connect, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.